Little or big?
Little.
How's life for you?
Maybe are you a little boy?
Little boy.
Sitting in a big chair? That's it.
Baby.
You're not a baby.
Not a baby anymore.
You're a little boy.
Boy walk.
You're kind of like a toddler.
Toddler walk.
Yeah, toddlers can walk. So you're not a baby, you're a toddler.
Toddler. Toddler baby.
You're bigger
Not
than
a
a
baby.
baby.
Toddler
No,
baby.
You know who's a baby?
Good job.
Claire's little baby, Beatrice, at Temple School. She's a baby, and she's always in her mommy's bag on her chest.
Yeah.
That cute little Beatrice.
Cute little beard.
She's very cute.
Pretty good. Life is pretty good. I'm approaching